Joint Restore Gummies are a type of supplement that helps consumers to improve the health of their knees, elbows, and other joints. Most delicious knee restoring formula you've ever had. Each gummy combines 20 milligrams of CBD, 200 milligrams of beta-boswellic acid, and just 3 grams of organic cane sugar for a delicious gummy that you'll be excited to take every morning. The formula includes CBD as one of the main sources of nutrients, due to the many studies that back up the potent inflammation-reducing effects of CBD. What are Joint Restore Gummies? The body is inherently fragile. When an individual is young, they think about all of the adventures that they can have, but these adventures can take a toll on the body in their golden years. Joint pain is one of the most common types of pain for individuals over age 50, due to the loss of collagen. While collagen is often thought of as the substance that keeps wrinkles away, it is also found between the joints as a way to provide a cushion between the bones. With all of the physical activity that most consumers take on when they are younger, it should come as no surprise that their collagen diminishes over time. Without this cushion, the joints can be incredibly sore, leading to issues like a loss of mobility and arthritis. While the use of medications can have a negative effect on the organs over time, a supplement like Joint Restore Gummies can be exceedingly helpful. Joint Restore Gummies make it easier to get the nourishment that the body needs to eliminate joint pain. The primary purpose of this remedy is to get rid of discomfort altogether, but it also helps to rebuild the cartilage that has been lost. With less inflammation, consumers can feel freer and more mobile in their movements again. As an added benefit to the health improvements, consumers will get a strawberry flavor that makes these gummies more enjoyable. The main reason that this formula is so helpful to individuals that want to improve the health of their joints is that it uses 2 ingredients that are known to help: CBD and boswellia. Joint Restore Gummies provide users with a way to improve their joints without having to experience the pain that they ordinarily associate with arthritis and other medical conditions. While it isn't a substitute for interaction with a doctor, users can take these natural ingredients as a way to support the rebuilding of cartilage over time. The ingredients have many additional health benefits, giving users more control over their bodies as they get older. Get more information by clicking the link in the description below.